Why does your scanner show the P2408 engine code? What does it mean? P2408 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel cap sensor or switch circuit. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected an issue with the electrical signal from the fuel cap sensor, suggesting the cap might not be seated properly or is damaged. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Loose or improperly seated gas cap. Damaged fuel cap sensor or switch. Faulty wiring or poor electrical connections. Faulty fuel cap sensor circuit. PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Peugeot and Dodge models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.